Born in 1847 in Edinburgh, Scotland, Alexander Graham Bell's early life was as diverse as it was inspiring, a foundation that would later fuel his groundbreaking contributions to communication. Bell's journey began at home. Homeschooled by his devoted mother, Eliza Grace Simons, he absorbed lessons that went far beyond the typical classroom. Later, he attended a private school for a year and then spent 2 formative years at Edinburgh's Royal High School. But it was the intimate, personal connection to sound, sparked by his mother's struggle with hearing, that set him on a unique path. Imagine a young mind captivated by the mysteries of sound, influenced not only by his mother's challenges, but also by the legacy of his father and grandfather, both pioneers in teaching the deaf to speak. Their work instilled in him a profound respect for those with hearing challenges and a deep commitment to bridging communication gaps. It was this blend of personal experience and scientific curiosity that led Bell to explore the mechanics of speech. He was fascinated by the vibrating membrane, the very principle behind converting sound into electrical signals. His experiments, driven by the desire to capture the essence of human voice, would eventually culminate in one of history's most transformative breakthroughs. On March 10, 1876, history was made. In a quiet laboratory, Bell uttered the now legendary words, "Mr. Watson, come here, I want you." With that simple sentence, he demonstrated for the first time that the human voice could travel vast distances through electrical signals, forever changing the way we connect. But Bell's vision didn't stop with the telephone. His innovative spirit pushed him to explore beyond, venturing into fields like aeronautics, medical devices, and audiovisual communication. In 1870, his family emigrated to Canada, and soon after, Bell moved to the United States. In Boston, he founded a school to train teachers for the deaf, reinforcing his lifelong commitment to communication and education. Every step of his journey reflected a deep-seated belief: technology should serve humanity. By breaking down the barriers of communication, Bell not only revolutionized how we speak, but he also laid the groundwork for the interconnected world we live in today. A world defined by smartphones, video calls, and instant messaging. Alexander Graham Bell's legacy is a testament to the power of innovation inspired by personal experience. His early encounters with the challenges of hearing drove him to create a device that would connect people across continents, proving that every voice deserves to be heard. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the life of one of history's greatest inventors. If you enjoyed this look into the origins of modern communication, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep connecting and stay curious.